Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City home window install experts? You're in the right place. In Salt Lake City, your home's windows are not just functional. They can elevate your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Let's explore why hiring local professionals can transform your living space. One mistake people often make is focusing solely on affordability. While it's important, often the cheapest option can lead to poor quality. Instead, prioritize expert reviews and past project success. Another common misstep is neglecting to get multiple estimates. This ensures you understand the average market rate in Salt Lake City, allowing you to make a well-informed decision. Salt Lake City's unique housing market makes it essential to find specialists. The right experts understand local styles and trends. Consider a success story from a homeowner who upgraded their windows. Not only did they enhance their home's beauty, but they also noticed a drop in energy bills, showcasing the impact of professional installation. Let's start with a big one. What are the most important factors to consider when choosing a window style? The answer lies in your home's design and your personal taste. Make sure you select windows that match your desired aesthetic while remaining functional. Another great question is, how long does the installation process take? Generally, it varies based on the home's size and the number of windows being replaced. After consultations, professionals provide a clear timeline. Ready for your new windows? Call us now for a free, no-obligation quote at 385-300-0903 or visit saltlakecityhomewindows.com.